Hello everyone. In this lecture series, I will focus on digital system and digital logic basically. So, a digital system, why we should focus on digital system? This digital system, it is widely used nowadays, and it is widely used in communication. We have digital communication, in business transactions, in spacecraft guidance, medical treatment, internet, and many other applications. We are using this digital system. And in digital system, we work with digital number system. And digital number systems are basically binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. So basically we focus on these three number system, which is known as digital number system. The number system that we people are dealing with in our daily life, that is known as decimal number system. So we are dealing with decimal number system. And in decimal number system, in decimal number system, if you see closely, we have numbers ranging from 0 to 9 only. Like you can write any number, and the numbers, like in decimal number system, you can write any number using numbers from 0 to 9. Okay, so write like so numbers that we use is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Using these 10 different numbers. See, it starts from 0 and goes up to 9. So these are 10 different numbers, or 10 symbols you can say, because all are different from other. So using these 10 symbols or images or coefficient, we can write any number in decimal number system. Okay, like suppose 246, 398, 489, 255, 667, whatever number you want to write, you can write using these 10 different symbols only. Okay, so this is a decimal number system. And why we call it decimal number system? Because the numbers that we are using here are total numbers that we are using here are 10 only. Okay, ranging from 0 to 9. So these 10 different numbers we call coefficient, and since there are 10 different number, so base or radix value for decimal number system is 10. Okay, so just remember, for decimal number system, base or radix is 10, and coefficient will be 0, 1, 2 up to 9. We can use 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9 number, right? So these are 10 different numbers actually. They are 10 different number actually. And if I want to generalize this, generalize means, suppose if any number system is there whose base is r, then their coefficient will be 0, 1, 2 up to r minus 1. And now if you compare, see here, for decimal number system, radix or base is 10, so coefficient was from 0 to 9. So if I put r equals to 10, coefficient will be from 0 to 9, right? So this is the way for any number system, or this is some terminology that we will use for any number system. Now if I look closely on decimal number system, so suppose I have this number 7468. Okay, so this is nothing but 7468. Now here you can notice one thing, this has 4 place. Okay, 4 digits. Okay, and this is unit place, or we call it zeros place, unit place, or we call it zeros place, 1 place, 2 place, and it is at 3rd place. So put its value like this, zeros starts from this and move in left hand side. So it starts from this, 8 is at 0th place, 6 is at 1 place, 4 is at 2nd place, 7 is at 3rd place. So if you see this number is nothing but 7468, and you can write it like this: 7 multiplied by 10 raised to power 3 plus 4 multiplied by 10 raised to power 2 plus 6 multiplied by 10 raised to power 1 plus 8 multiplied by 10 raised to power 0. Okay, so if I see it, it is like summation of coefficient multiplied by radix raised to power place value, raised to power place value. So now compare here. So coefficient, these are coefficient 7, 4, 6, 8, they are coefficient, and I said this is decimal number system, so base is 10, and place value, see 7 is at third place, 4 is at second place, 6 is at first place, 8 is at 0th place. So you expand it like this. Okay, so this is the expansion of this normal number system, normal decimal number system. Now suppose if I want to generalize it, so suppose any number system is there in base R. Suppose any number system is there in base R, so I can write number like this. Suppose it is like an minus 1 up to a2 a1 a naught point a of minus 1 a minus 2 dot 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 a minus m to the base R. Suppose this is the number in base R. Now if it is a decimal if it is a number in base R, so what is this? This is nothing but a number in base or radix R, right? So coefficient here will be from 0 to R minus 1, right? That means all this coefficient ages this belongs to 0 to R minus 1 only. Okay, and integer form only. Okay, it belongs to 0 to R minus 1 only, right? Okay, now if I want to expand it, so if you want to expand it, what you have to do? You have to check the place value and then use the same rule. Which rule? The rule that I said here: coefficient, summation of coefficient multiplied by radix raised to power its place value. Okay, so if this is a number in base R, now let me do this. So okay, so if this is the number and I want to convert it in base 10, so use this method to convert any base or any number system to base 10 number system. Okay, so you can consider this topic as radix R to base 10. Base 10 is nothing but decimal number system, right? Or decimal number system. So you can say this topic is like radix R to base 10 or decimal number system, right? So how to expand this? Just use this rule. So what will be this? According to this rule, what I will have? For that I have to see the place value, right? So this is decimal point. This way I will move from 0. This way I will move from minus 1. So this place value is 0. Its place value is 1. Its place value is 2. Likewise, its place value will be n minus 1. Its place value is n. And here I will move. So its place value is minus 1. Its place value is minus 2. And its place value is minus m. So what will be the expanded version in base 10? It will be an, that is coefficient, multiplied by base and here base or radix is 10. Original base or original radix is 10 r, not 10, sorry. Original radix or original base is r, right? So an into original radix or original base raised to power place value. So place value for n is n, plus a of n minus 1 multiplied by original base value, which is r, raised to power n minus 1, plus dot dot dot, it will goes like this, and it will be a1 r raised to power 1 plus a naught r raised to power 0 plus. So up to this point we have done. Now from here, see, place values are minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So plus a of minus 1, which is the coefficient, radix is r raised to power minus 1, plus a of minus 2 r raised to power minus 2, plus it will goes on like this and up to a of minus m radix raised to power minus m, because its place value is minus m. So this number will be in base 10. This number will be in base 10. Now let me give you an example. So suppose I have a number like this, 280, not 280, let me give you 246, and its base is 8. So let me check whether it is a valid number or not. Okay, so base here is r, here is 8. So valid coefficients are, or valid numbers that I can use inside this bracket is 0, 1 up to 7, if you see. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. I can use these numbers. So this is a valid number because here it is 246, right? So it is a valid number. I want this 246 to the base 8 and I want this in base 10. What will be this in base 10? So for that, what you have to do? You have to write this. You have to use the same formula. For that, what you have to do? You have to see the place value. See, this is the first number, okay, or LSB. So it will be 0, minus 1, not minus 1, sorry, 0. This is place value, its place value is 1 and its place value is 2. So its expanded version will be 2 multiplied by, what is the original base? It is 8. So 8 raised to power place value. What is the place value of 2? Place value is 2 only, right? Plus next coefficient. So next coefficient is 4 multiplied by base value. So base value is 8. Original base value is 8 multiplied by the place value, which is 1, plus next coefficient is 6 multiplied by base, which is 8, and raised to power place value, which is 0. So what it will be? It will be 2 multiplied by 64 plus 8, it's a 64, plus 4 into 8, right? Plus 4 into 8 plus 6 into 1, right? 6 into, what will be the answer? The answer will be 128, right? Yeah, 128 plus 32 plus 6. So this value will be 166, right? So, and this 166 is in base 10. That means 246 in base 8 is nothing but 166 in base 10. Now let me give you one more example, and that will be like binary. Okay, so let me give you one more example. So next example will be, next I will focus on binary number system. Okay, that was decimal. Okay, so next is binary number system. I will just give a transformation and then I will explain all the number system in next class or in next lecture. So what is binary number system? In binary number system, radix will be 2, and if radix is 2, then what will be the coefficient? The coefficient can be 0 and 1 only, because r minus 1 here is r minus 1 here will be 2 minus 1, which is 1, right? So it can be 0 or 1. So suppose if I give you some number like this 10101 in base 2, and I want this in base 10, then what will be this number? Again we will use same rule. So let me see the place value first. This place value is 0, its place value is 1, place value is 2, its place value is 3, and its place value is 4, right? So this expansion will be like this, and see here coefficients are either 1 or 0. Radix value will be 2. So number in base 10 will be 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 4, because this one has place value 4, plus this is 0 multiplied by 2 raised to power 3, plus 1 has place value 2, 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2, plus 0 into 2 raised to power 1, plus this one is at place 0, 1 into 2 raised to power 0. So what will come from here? We will get 2 in, this is 2 raised to power 4, so it will be 16 plus, okay, this will be 0, not 8 actually. See, it is 0, so this will be 0, it is 0, so this will be 0. So it will be 16 plus 2 plus 1, and the answer is 16 plus 2, 18, plus 1, that is 19. So this number 10101 in base 2 is nothing but 19 in base 10. Now let me give one more example with some decimal point, and I will use binary number only. Okay, so suppose number is 101.01 to the base 2. I want its decimal equivalent. Okay, so what is the value of x? Now again same rule, use that place value. So it is 0, this one is 1, its place value is 2, this is place value minus 1, this has place value minus 2. So expansion will be 1 multiplied by 1, because this is 1, multiplied by place decimal base is 2, and raised to power place value is 2, plus 0 into 2 raised to power 1, plus 1 into 2 raised to power 0, plus 0 into 2 raised to power minus 1, plus 1 into 2 raised to power minus 2. So what is this value? It is 4, plus this will be 0, 4 plus 1, plus this value is again 0, and 2 raised to power minus 2 means it is 1 by 4, right? This thing is nothing but 1 by 4, which is nothing but 0.25. So plus 0.25. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 5.25 in the base 10. So this is how you can convert any number system to base 10 number system. Let me give you one more example, a trick question. Okay, I want to convert 245 to the base 5 in base 10. So try to get the answer, but before getting the answer, just see here one thing. Here base value is 5, and I have used number 5 inside this. So this is not a valid number. This is not a valid number, because coefficient that we can use for base 5 is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means r minus 1. Okay, So r is, this is not a valid number because coefficient, because see here we have 5 inside this, and coefficient for base 5 can be 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 4 only, because coefficient can be from 0 to r minus 1 only, and here r is 5, so maximum coefficient that I can use is 4, right, not 5. So this is not a valid number. And let me give you then some next question. Okay, so this will be a valid question actually. So let me give you example. 26 to the base 7. Okay, 26 to the base 7. What will be this in base 10? So what will be this? You can write it like this. See, place value I am not going to write. So it will be like this. 2 into 7 raised to power 1, because this has place value 0, this has place value 1. Okay, 2 into 7 raised to power 1 plus 6 into 7 raised to power 0, which is nothing but 14 plus 6, which is 20, right? So this number is nothing but 20 in the base 10. In next lecture I will focus on reverse calculation. Reverse calculation means base 10 to base r conversion. I will focus on this in my next lecture. If you have any doubt, just ask me. Thank you.